Can substance intake increase one's confidence? Maybe if I'm high, I will not be afraid of anybody. I will just stand and speak confidently. That's some of our preconceived notion that it
Hey,
can increase our confidence. I fear
no, it
no
doesn't.
bagger. You know, somebody when you smoke in there, for instance, you'll be talking anyhow.
That is the hallucination effect of it. It doesn't increase any person confidence because, the thing is this: when you take some of this and it put you in a state of dizziness, you might be looking at a mountain as an ant. Just like, okay, let me give you a quick personal experience. Then at the University of Benin, that was my first year. Sun entered my eye. It turned to an allergy. So my eyes were now swollen. So I went to optometry departments for medication and advice. So what they do was to wear me some of these their glasses that have different steps. So they will put and show me alphabet on the board. I was not reading it. Then as I use that thing to walk outside. Do you know what happened to me? The place that was gutter became a very level field, while the level field was like gutter. So I avoided the level field and I fell inside the gutter. You know,
I'm serious.
in that process. So I was very angry with the lady. Say, why will you do this to me? He say, yeah, they just want to know whether this is. I say, I'm seeing very well. Now you have altered my system. I'm not seeing opposites of me. You understand? So that is the kind of effect that this thing have in people. So for that very moment of excitement, it make you feel like you are this or you are that. But go and face a giant and they will break your bone. And when they break your bone, maybe when that thing clear for you will not be asking what happened to you. So I pray that our you do not go get into this hallucination experience because
But
they need to avoid
sorry,
this things.
will you agree with me that it also give us pleasure, give us enjoyment? Do we derive more joy when we take something like maybe that hard drug? Maybe we become more happier is the moment we take that substance. Does it
Well,
increase our pleasurable moment?
how can it increase a pleasurable moment? Is a madman happy? Does a madman know whether he's happy? That is one point we should know. A madman will never know or realize that whether he or she is happy. But you are mad. So okay, let's take issue of maybe beer. Maybe you have an issue with your wife at home. You and your wife quarrel another, and they say, leave the house for her. Go to bar and take a bottle of beer. If you take that bottle of beer and it make you to go gaga, and when that beer, and maybe after some hour and the beer excitement goes down, won't you go back to the problem? You will go back to the problem. So it doesn't bring any form of happiness. It just brings some moment of foolishness to me. It brings a moment of foolishness. And why they feel that they are happy is because when the information flowing through your central nervous system has been altered, maybe at that moment in time you will not remember one or two. But there are some persons whereby they take this thing without checking their body system, whether it corresponds with it, the underlying sicknesses in there. So some of them, when they take this, it will go and provoke something like maybe high blood pressure or heart attack. Okay, for instance, like tramadol now, they say they give the momentum, but do you know that at that period in time that tramadol is working on your system, your body will be running at a low blood pressure. People always look at the side of high blood pressure, but you don't know that low blood pressure and low sugar level is more deadly than that of a high blood pressure, because high blood pressure will be giving you sign and people might even know, but low blood pressure will not give you sign. You might not even notice it, and you are just there like that. You have collapsed and you are dead. There is no way back. So it is better you don't even engage in it than to say, let me try and this. It doesn't really make, like I was telling you, told us earlier that I took my grandfather Hiko to. So I thought maybe there was something sweet in it that he was enjoying. And I went and engaged myself in that experience, which I regret for the rest of my life. So there is no benefit in taking substances that you don't know about, that nobody recommend to you. And if you look at who are the vendors of these substances, there are people that cannot even read the label. Some of them come without even the label. They don't have label, like the instruction. How is this supposed to be taken and all that? Some of them come without having that label. And some of the people that sell it, they are bookie that sell cola nuts on the street and all these things. So they get into their hand and they are the one marketing it. And you going to buy it, you cannot ask them question. And if you ask them question, they cannot have one or two to tell you. You understand this? So like whichever pleasure they are looking at it, there is nothing there, my brother. There is no pleasure in taking hard drugs. Is it for sex? No. You are just killing yourself for nothing. Because if you take maybe the one for sex, like the Viagra, some people will go and take it in overdose. And because they want to please a lady, or they say maybe this one I'll kill him today. But do you know what the work he does? He pump blood to your head. He pump, instead of your blood to be circulating very normal regulated quantity to the other part of the body, he pump more volume of that blood to your head. That is why some persons, when they take this thing, what happened to them is that they'll be having severe headache, swollen eyes, red eyes, and all that, until the active hour of that medication, or what we call the sedative period of that medication, passes. You will be going through that experience. And let me assume you are somebody that maybe you drive vehicle on the road and you have this in on your head. How will you think like a normal human being? You go and kill yourself. You go and kill yourself. So there is no benefit in taking this thing. There is none at all. There is